Determine whether the relation defined by the graph below defines a function and give the domain and range. Is this a function? If you said no, that is correct, because recall, if you can draw or imagine a vertical line and if it touches in more than one place, if it touch or intersect more than once, then that means it is not a function. So it doesn't matter where you draw this vertical line, you're going to hit it twice, which means this is not a function. Next, we want to find the domain, how far it extends to the left and to the right. So as we can see, it does not go from negative infinity to positive infinity. Where does the graph start? Yes, it starts right here at -3. And as you can see with these arrows, it's going to continue shooting forever to the right. So our domain would be starting with -3. So let's close it with the brackets. And it's going to continue to positive infinity, close with the parentheses. Range, we want to know the highest and the lowest point here on the graph. So many students will look at this and say that this graph will go from -2 all the way to +2, or -3 all the way to +3. And neither of those answers are correct. Because range, we want to know how high, how low this graph goes. So because we have arrows here at the end, if we follow this parabola here that's on its side, it's going to go forever and ever up into the positive numbers, and it's going to go forever and ever down into the negative numbers because of these arrows. So the range then is going to be from negative infinity to positive infinity, and recall we close infinities with a parentheses.